Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to take you on an exciting journey to Grange Park and the OCAD University, exploring the vibrant art scenes and uncovering the fascinating history that makes these places so special. As soon as you enter into the Grange Park, you're greeted by this lush green space that's an absolute breath of fresh air. In the heart of the city, you'd also feel the temperature dropping a bit when you enter. It's like city's own backyard where you can relax on the lawns. This plant right here is called lamb's ears, scientifically known as Stachys basantia. It is one of those plants that instantly catches your eyes, with its soft, velvet leaves covered in the silvery white hair. This plant is often used as a ground cover, creating a soft, almost carpet-like effect. So this park was originally the backyard of the Grange, Toronto's oldest brick house, which was built in 1817. What I love about the park is that it's so peaceful, you almost forget you are in the middle of the bustling city. Today, the Grange Park is known for its peaceful atmosphere and artistic elements. The iconic two large form sculpture by Henry Moore is the centerpiece of it. It's fascinating to think that he donated this work specifically for the people of Toronto, and it is one of the most recognizable pieces of public art in the city. The Grange Park's history is as rich as its landscape. The land originally belonged to the Grange estate, which was owned by the Bolton family. They were one of the founding families of Toronto. Tucked away in the southwest corner of the park is a small but lively dog park. It has become the favorite spot for the local dog owners. There are also a few shaded areas, thanks to the mature trees in the park, which is also great for hot days in summer. Also, speaking of summer, it also has water for your dogs and yourself. The children play area is more than just swings and slides. It's a place where children can play in a setting that feels more like a forest than an urban park. The playground structures are not only functional but also visually appealing, with bright colors and interesting shapes that draw children in. Just a tip, try to come during the morning or late afternoon, when the playground is less crowded. A short walk from the Grange Park brings you to the OCAD University. It is Canada's largest and oldest educational institution for art and design. Founded in 1876, OCAD has been a key player in shaping Toronto's vibrant art scene. One of the first things you'll notice about OCAD is the Sharp Centre for Design, a building that has become an architectural icon, designed by British architect Will Also. Completed in 2004, this structure is often referred to as Flying Tabletop because of its bold and elevated design. It was founded to provide professional training in fine arts, and over the years, it has expanded to include a wide range of disciplines from digital media to environmental design. Unfortunately, at the time of shooting this video, the OCAD tour was not operational, but you can take a tour from their website, which I'll link below. Alright, I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know in the comment section which one I should cover in the next one. Till then, take care.